ABCD.
Bago doon na magluto bakon. Maling kayo ito.
Ay, wanik. Sige na, gising ano ABCD. A, B, C, D.
Kaway, tumang. Pagkukumatili. Kabutumatili. Hi, guys.
Ayaw na ito nga, di lang. Maris.
Siya, ulo, pagkumitili tala.
Sige, sing ABCD. A, B, C, D.
E, R, E. D, K, N, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know A, B, C. Risa, 1, 2, 3. Madin kayo ito na vlog.
Waray. What else? You count on the 10.
1,
2.
2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 10.
6.
10.
6.
10.
No. 6. 7.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Yay! Very good. How about, what is the sound of the dog? What is the sound of the monkey? What is the sound of the snake? What is the sound of the wiper on the bus? Can you sing the wheels on the bus?
Rounding round, rounding round, rounding round, to the town. Matita daw ako.
Okay.
Gusto na ba ko round, round. Ako na daw ako vlog. Gusto na ba ko round, vlog mo ako. Oh, to the town.
The mommy.
Mami na ba ko?
The mommy and the bus. You sing. The daddy.
Daddy na nabas ko, I love you. I love you. I love you. Daddy na nabas ko, I love you. Ha?
All through the time. The baby. What happened? Come here. You go back. Come here, Yala.
Vlog na lang ako, vlog.
Come here na. Oh, nagwawatsara iyo. May nag-comment na nasa ring hi. Sige na, you sing. The wheels of the bus. Hi, this is Amaris and Riala's
And Mama.
vlog. Sige, hi guys. Thank you for watching. Yala. Can you sing, Baba? Okay, sorry. Can you sing Baba Black Sheep? Baby. Karayo. Can you sing Baba Black Sheep? What?
Okay.
Oh, po friend kita, friend. Sige na, you sing again. How about the baby on the bus?
Ang baby na babas. Ang baby na babas. All to the town.
The wiper.